If you are running a business in Vietnam today using the standard Western software stacks, you are bleeding customers. The digital economy has changed. It's changing every day. And here it moves fast. And local consumers expect hyper specialized and hyper localized speed. Today we are looking at the 3 exact tech tools that you need in your stack to win in 2026. Tool number 1, Zalo mini apps. In Vietnam, forcing customers to download a dedicated native app or jump through browser hoops kills your conversion rate. By building a mini app directly inside Zalo, which has over 70 million active users, your customers can browse, order, and interact instantly without leaving their favorite daily messenger. Primary advantages of the Zalo mini app ecosystem are massive user reach, low development costs, and zero install convenience. We must not forget about the smooth payments and CRM. It integrates easily with Zalo Pay, Zalo official accounts, and external management systems like CRM. Now, you don't have to memorize all of this. I have put together a step-by-step PDF checklist for the exact tech step for you. You can download it for free using the link in the description below. Number 2, seamless local payment integration. Relying only on traditional bank transfers or cash on delivery slows down cash flow. Integrating localized payment architecture like Zalo Pay or VNPay via checkout SDKs allow the businesses to accept instant mobile payouts, automate transaction checks, and manage cash flow centrally. Payment integration in Vietnam drives higher conversion rates, lowers transaction fees, and builds consumer trust by supporting preferred domestic methods like NAPAS, Momo, and Viet QR. This results in higher sales and reaches more buyers, fewer abandoned carts. Customers finish buying faster when they see payment apps they use every day and connects popular apps. Before I move into tool number 3, I would request you to subscribe to my channel so that I can come up with more such videos in the future. Tool number 3, automated Zalo notification services, ZNS, and AI chatbots. Customer retention is cheaper than acquisition. I have worked in the banking sector for 35 years and I know this for sure. Using automated messaging to handle order updates, loyalty point, and instant support keeps your retention high while cutting operational labor costs by almost 30%. Advantages of combining Zalo ZNS notifications with a Zalo mini app automation workflow are instant user access without app downloads, higher conversion rates via direct call to action CTA links, and lower operational and development costs. A great tech stack turns a messy operation into a smooth machine. What tools are you currently using in your business? Drop your stack in the comments below, download our free workflow checklist in the description, and subscribe to join the Voyage.